Hello, if you are seeing this problem on your browser, all you need to do is just stick to this video because within this video I'm going to be teaching how to resolve that problem. So let's get started. The first step is for you to go to start menu and right click on that, go to settings, select settings. Then to find a setting, all you need to do is search for proxy, proxy, proxy settings, select proxy setting, and then turn this off automatically. Detect settings, make sure it is turned off. So now this is our first step. Our second step is for us to come here to this search bar and search for ncpa.cpl, and then you see this file. All you need to do, you have to select this file. So now we have selected the file. You will see internet, you see Wi-Fi, you see broadband connections. All you need to do is just go to the connection that you are using. If you are using a Wi-Fi connection, come to Wi-Fi. If you are using an internet connection, all you need to do is just come to this internet, right click, come to properties. But as for me, I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'm going to use this Wi-Fi. So I'm going to come to this Wi-Fi, right click on it, and come down to properties, select properties. Then I will see a screen will pop up, which is Wi-Fi properties. So now I'm going to come down to Internet Protocol Version 4. All you need to do is double click on this. Then our screen will pop up. All you need to do is just come down to this. Use the following DNS server address. But as for your computer, it will be to obtain DNS server address automatically. But for this video, we're going to set our own DNS server address. So you are just going to see that they use the following DNS server address. We are telling the computer to use our DNS server address. So now we are going to put in 1.1.1.1 and down to the alternate DNS server. All you need to do is just put in 1.0.0.1 and click on OK. Select OK again. All you need to do is just come back to this Wi-Fi or your internet, right click on it, come to disable, select disable. So now we're going to go back again, enable it. So now the Wi-Fi has been enabled. All you need to do is just come back to your connection, reconnect your PC to the internet. As for me, I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'm going to reconnect my computer to this Wi-Fi. If you are using an internet cable, make sure you are reconnecting to that internet cable. So now I'm going to reconnect to this Wi-Fi. So I've been connected already. So our next step is for us to flush the DNS. So before we get that done, if this is the first time watching my video, I'm Joshua. I post video about solving technical problem on the internet. So if this is the first time watching my video, all you need to do is just subscribe, like, and click that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started with test steps. So the test step is for us to go to our search bar and search for command prompt. And then when we see command prompt, all we need to do is just right click on command prompt and run it as administrator. Select administrator and select yes. So now the command prompt screen will open up. All you need to do is just put in the following code rpconfig space / flush DNS and click on enter. So now we're going to put in net and ETSH install ck reset. So now click enter. The computer is adding slow, but click on enter. So now it's going to reset. You will see that successfully reset the Windows catalog. So now it's telling you to restart your computer system. So all you need to do is just go and restart your computer system and come back to the internet, your browser. Connect the internet first and come out to your browser and search for anything that you want to search for. Like let me search for GTA 5. Click enter. So now I'm seeing GTA, Grand Theft Auto 5, and other stuff. You will not see that problem again on your computer system. So this is Josh from who I post video about solving different computer problem online. So if this is your first time watching my video, all you need to do is to like, comment, click that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Not forgetting to subscribe. Thank you.